In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from a shared Google Drive link. First things first, let's navigate to that Google Drive link you've been provided. Simply open the link in your preferred web browser and you'll be taken directly to the content that was shared with you. Now, a quick glance will show you the video that you can interact with. Go ahead and click on that video. This action will open it up in what's called the preview player. Here, you can watch the video without needing to download it. Now, you might notice that sometimes the download button isn't where you expect it to be. In such cases, don't be alarmed. This just means that the owner of the file has chosen to disable downloading for that particular file. But don't worry, there's a workaround. You'll want to head over to the top right corner of the page and you'll see an option that allows you to request access. Click on this request access button. At this stage, Google Drive presents you with the option to send a message to the owner of the file. It's a good idea to keep the message concise yet polite. You could write something like, "Hi, may I please have download permission?" Keep it simple and straightforward. That's usually the best approach. After you've sent your request, it's time for a little patience. The owner of the file needs to review and approve your request. Once they do, you'll receive a notification from Google. As soon as you get that notification, head back to your Google Drive link, refresh the page, and voila! The download button should now appear right where you expected it in the first place. From there, click download and the video will start downloading to your device. And there you have it. Easy, right? This process allows you to access the files you need while respecting the permissions set by the file owner. By requesting access, you're also ensuring that content owners can maintain control over their files. Patience and courtesy go a long way when digital sharing is involved. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy downloading.